So hi guys and welcome to Scratch Tutorials. So first of all, we are going to introduce you to Scratch. Type scratch.mit.edu and press enter. So first wait for it to load, and here it is. So first of all, we're going to join Scratch. Like, meaning create an account. So I'll keep it Scratch Tutorials if it's not already taken. Okay. Oh. So they kind of have spaces. 1-4. That's my password. And then click next. Select your country. Then click next and month. And then the year. And then click next again. Then your gender, click next again. Then your email. Now let's get started. So first of all, this is a necessary step. If it doesn't come here, then you have to go to account settings and do it. But you have to confirm your email. Let me see. Here it is. Confirm your account. So my account, I think, is confirmed now. Okay, now let's go. So what's this message? Oh yeah, it will be like a welcome to Scratch message. And now we are going to go create a project. Yeah, so okay, now we're here. First of all, let's go to the code. So it's basically making a game. So first of all, there are the motion blocks like move 10 steps, turn degrees, go to this position, and X and Y axis. It's like uses an X and Y. If I change this, we'll get this X and Y will also change. So yeah. And then we will go to the looks, which will be like saying something, thinking something. And then sprites have different costumes, so it will switch them. I can make it look like walking. We'll do it in future videos. And then we can also switch the backdrop, and we can change our size, and we can clear all the effects. We can show, hide, go forward, go backwards, and all these. Then come to sound. We can play sounds, and we can change the volume of the sounds. And then events. Okay, so events is one main thing. Like without them, your programming won't work. The main one is when flag click. So it's like when you click the flag, then it happens. If you just go and pick this one, when you click the flag, it won't do anything. But if you do when flag clicked, now you see it's moving. So anyways, then we can broadcast messages, and control is also very important. Like wait 1 second, repeat 10 times, or you can change the number of the wait and the repeating. And then forever, if something happens, then what to happen. If something happens, then what to happen. Else do it this. Wait until a specific event happens. Repeat until a specific event happens. Then stop all, like meaning stop all activities. Or other scripts, and then there are clones of sprites. Then we come to sensing. This is also important. Like if you do touching mouse pointer, or then wherever you click your mouse pointer, the sprite will follow. And the touching color one, like if the sprite is touching this color, then it will do this. And then here is a very good one. Ask what's your name and wait. It will like automatically create an answer variable, which will be the answer the person will give to the question. And you can use it like hi and put the answer one, and the person will be greeted with his own name. And then here's the one that helps you use the arrow keys or something to move. For the operator, it's like plus, minus, multiply, divide, pick random, greater than, less than, equals to, and, or, not. And it's join, letter of, length of, contains, more, round, ABS sign, cost, and A sign. Then are the variables. You can create a variable like score to record the person's score, and then you can just change it. Like if this happens, like if the person scores a goal, change his score by 1. And at the start you can set your score to 0. And my blog, this is a bit complicated. You can make a blog and then put all sorts of programming in it, and then you can say forever and then that block. So I'll explain that later. Then here we are to costumes, different costumes. And as for costumes, you can choose a costume from the gallery. Like this. You can make your own costume with all these tools. Okay, so you can make a random costume. It will just surprise you with that. You can upload a costume from your computer, or you can just make it take a photo of a costume. These things are all the same with the sprite, except for the camera one and for the backdrop too. And then are the sounds. There's the sound gallery. You can record your sound, you can surprise, or you can upload sound. So now I think that's basically the basics of Scratch. If you don't find anything, there's a Scratch tutorials option, which tells you how to like animate a sprite, use arrow keys and all that. And then there's the share option to upload your game there. And then you can tell people how to use it, and you can comment, you can like, share, or you can remix somebody's project. Remixing will come on other people's over here, and it will be like you can just get their project as your own, but there will be credits to them automatically. And then my stuff will be all the projects you've created. I've created 2, it's a theme, and then I can unshare a project. I share it and I can delete it, and I can delete it. And these are my studios and my trash, like the ones I did. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and tell me which projects you make on Scratch. I'll be uploading more tutorials soon.